Hi friends, we are in Orangeville test center today and we'll go to the G2 test route in Orangeville. Let's go for G2 test route in Orangeville. You take a right from here and when you turn right here, make sure check everywhere, no cars coming. And when you go out from the test center, make sure keep your car on the right side. Because it's a two-way, it's not a one-way, it's a two-way street. And we will take a left from the first stop sign. And make sure you, before approaching here, check both sides, anyone coming or not. And the stop sign, stop here completely. Move further, see anyone coming from any side, both sides check carefully. No one coming, we'll take a left. And speed limit is 40 everywhere inside. On the main road is 50 and inside the road is 40. It's written here maximum 40. Maximum 40 meaning is 39, not 41. We'll take a left from the first stop sign here, which is the 3rd street. We'll take a left here, completely stop, and then turn left here. Maintain 40 speed limit here. Then we will take right from the next street. We'll take a right here from the next street here, which is the First Avenue. We'll turn right here, and when you turn right here, sometime examiner they ask you to do parallel parking or hill parking here in these parking cars. We will not do any parking here. And we'll take a left from the next street. Just check carefully what's written on the stop sign here. It's written here two-way stop sign. Two-way meaning is you have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. So middle traffic will not stop. Only you have to stop and check both sides. And make sure no one is coming from any side. And then we will take a left. For the next traffic light, we'll again take left. See, it's written there maximum 40 ends. So it means now 50 begins here. So we'll take a left from the first street here. It's a Broadway. It's called Broadway. And we'll take a left from this traffic light. Take a left on Broadway and go to the first lane here. And sometimes the examiner, after turning left here, they will take you left from the next first street, but we will go straight and we will take a left from the next traffic light. They may take you left from this first street here, or the next street they can take you left. But some of the examiners, they tell you to take a left from the next traffic light. So you take a left from the next traffic light. coming, we'll take a left here. And some of the examiners, they may ask you to like uphill and downhill parking here, or 3-point turn in these streets here. That's the 2nd Avenue. And speed limit is 40 here again. Stop sign, we will take right. That's a 3rd street. We'll take a right on the 3rd street. And still maintain your speed limit at 40 here. Next stop sign, which is always stop sign, we will take a right there, which is the 4th Avenue. Stop there completely and then turn right. Then we'll go back to the test center. Right here, going back to the test center again, and when you turn right here, make sure keep on the right side. And during the weekdays, it's like sometimes tests are going on here, truck driving tests are going on. Just make sure don't disturb the truck drivers here, those are doing tests, and go safely around them. Then examiner will tell you to maybe back parking or maybe straight parking here. We do park straight here, and that's it. And you pass your test. I hope this video will help you to pass your test in Orangeville. If you have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.